So welcome to another What's in the Box. I don't know myself, to be honest. I believe these might be eBay purchases. Let's see about that. No. Alternatively, it could be, and I'm going to guess, something from Dallas Autoparts in the UK, but we'll find out any second once I realise, once I know how to get into this box. Yes. So, here we go. It is a first aid box from Dallas Autoparts. Got a nice flyer there. So it's a first aid box for a Jeep, £37.50 and £8.33 shipping is the cost there. This is the box, as you can see. And empty, but there you go, you've got your kit, first aid, motor vehicle, 12 unit, item 9777300, and it tells you exactly what should be in there. That will fit in my first aid holder, first aid kit holder that I've got on the Jeep. As usual, I'll post some detailed pictures of this for your perusal, inclusive of it being in its mount as well. So this is the Dallas Dig Out flyer, Sunday, April the 3rd, 2022, from 8 AM to 12 noon. Looks like it's a military affair. So there we go. So first item unboxed. Second item, clearly from eBay. Let's find the best way of getting into this without showing my details. There you go. Can you guess what it is? Nicely packed. I thought that I might be lucky. Really is well packed. So this has come all the way from the United States, and it is a first aid. A fire extinguisher in grubby state, but these were the fire extinguishers on American Jeeps on the M38A1. It's the model 85 HD. don't know if you can just make it out there. It desperately needs a bit of a clean up, not too much because of the patina that it has. Comes with its own mount, and yeah, so we'll get that mounted on the Jeep and we'll take some pictures. I don't know if I'm going to clean it first or not. It's not serviceable, it's not a live fire extinguisher, but there we go. And like I say, like I do with all my inbox reviews, is I'll post some detailed pictures for you to read. I'll also talk about the price of this, which I can't remember off the top of my head. So welcome to the gallery. On this one, I'm just going to show you pictures of the first aid kit because I've decided to actually do some cleaning of the fire extinguisher, which I'll go on to after some pictures of the first aid kit. It is what it is, really. It's a serviceable replica of the original, and it seems to be what I need. So, welcome to the workshop. In this video, you're going to see me clean up the fire extinguisher, so I hope you enjoy. Let's see if we can clean a little bit of this up. What I don't want to do is I don't want to remove the red paint. So I think you need to be slow and steady. And then take it from there. You can see it's faded in one corner. It really does need a polish, but a gentle one, because like I say, you don't want to remove too much of the patina, because then you lose its age and then you might as well get a reproduction one.
A few moments later.
So I've got some cleaning paste from Astonish. I don't even know if it's still usable. And we'll give it a go. We'll see if we can. More pleasingly, there doesn't seem to be any of the red coming off. And if anything, you can see there's no red coming off there. Well, actually, you can see red is coming off. So to be honest, this is probably as much as I'd want to go with the polishing the label. Maybe a little bit more up at the top here, just to give it a little bit of a cleaner look. Yeah, and I think that'll do. Like I say, you don't want to lose too much of the patina, so we'll see what we can get off. I was wondering where this water's coming from, it's spit. That's coming up quite nicely, a lot less grubbier, and obviously leaving the patina on there you can fill. Where the paste has cleaned. So let's continue. Like I say, the key here is not to take too much of that patina away. That's what makes it look good, the more period and authentic. Although you probably could argue that these are either painted olive drab or some army green colour. This paste has seen better days. I probably had it over 10 years and just never used it. It's one of those purchases that you make and you suddenly realise you don't actually need it. You could also machine polish this, but once again you don't want to be too heavy-handed. But what you are finding, it's quite tiring on the finger. So let's give that a wipe down. And you can see before, after, whilst maintaining that patina. Yeah, I'm going to carry on cleaning this and then I'll come back and show you it when it's completed.
A few moments later.
Alright, so welcome back. I've just finished polishing it as much as I want to. I'll now just go around the edges with a kebab skewer, just getting the cleaning agent out from the nooks and crannies. What I didn't want to do is polish it up so it looked brand new. All I wanted to do was just get rid of the bulk of the grime. And as you can see there, it's turned out quite nice. For what I want anyway. Some of you might want to see it all polished up, So it looks brand new, and others might not even want it polished at all. The other thing that you could consider, which I made reference to earlier, is painting it, but we'll see. I'm in two minds about what I want to do. I quite like it as it is at the moment, but we'll see. But you can see the writing's a lot more legible than it was before. And that's that. So in this gallery, you'll see the finished article. It was purchased from eBay for $50 US, and it was $77.60 postage with $25.52 added VAT. Circa $150 for the item, which, if you look at the going rates for these in the UK, it's about right. So thanks for watching another episode of unboxing, but with a little bit extra added in. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.